my dear lands, let my land be in peace. Be happy land, be happy people, be joyful people of Kazakhstan. I am Bijan Jumabek. I am from Kazakhstan. I am Kazakhstani. I am proud of my country. I am proud of my country's flag. My country's flag is blue. The light blue color is a symbol of sky and the water. The sun is the source of life and energy. The sun is also a symbol of wealth and abundance. That's what the silhouette of the sun symbolizes. A gold sun with setting rays above a soaring golden stepped eagle boss centered on a sky blue field. The hillside displays a national ornamental pattern Koshkarmois in gold. Among the nomad people, the golden eagle plays a very important role. People of different Kazakhstan tribes had the golden eagle on their flags for centuries. The eagle symbolizes the power of the state. For Kazakhstan people, as for people of the eagle is a symbol of independence, freedom, and the flight to the future. The eagle symbolizes the attempt of a young Kazakhstan state to become the important part of world civilization.